Ava, are you going on a bike ride? Tell us.
You have to keep that on. It hurts. How you stay safe.
All right, Drew, ride. Ava! Bye, mommy. Did you hear?
Bye, mommy.
Bye, bye.